Pruning plants, a beginner's guide to gardening basics. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the wonderful world of gardening, focusing on a crucial skill, pruning plants. Whether you're a budding gardener or just curious, this video will guide you through the essentials of pruning, ensuring your plants stay healthy and beautiful. Let's get started. Pruning is the process of trimming and cutting plants to remove dead or overgrown branches or stems. It's vital for maintaining plant health, encouraging growth, and enhancing the plant's appearance. Pruning isn't just about cutting, it's about knowing when and how to cut. Timing is key in pruning. Most plants are best pruned in late winter or early spring when they are dormant. However, this can vary based on the plant species. Flowering plants, for instance, should be pruned right after they bloom to avoid cutting off future flowers. Before you start pruning, it's essential to have the right tools. A pair of sharp pruning shears is a must. For larger branches, you might need loppers or a pruning saw. Always ensure your tools are clean to prevent the spread of disease among plants. Different plants require different pruning techniques. Here are some common ones. 1. Thinning, removing entire branches to improve light and airflow. 2. Topping, cutting back to a specific height. 3. Deadheading, removing spent flowers to encourage more blooms. Safety is paramount when pruning. Wear gloves to protect your hands. And if you're working with tall shrubs or trees, make sure you have stable footing. We hope this video has shed some light on the art of pruning plants. Remember, with a little practice and patience, you can keep your garden looking its best. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.